Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Are you okay? In the last class, we discussed about the balancing equations. Is it okay for everybody? Are you able to do it that? Okay. Then today we can see about oxidation and reduction reaction. What is oxidation? Oxidation is the loss of electrons. What is reduction? Reduction is the gain of electrons. What do you mean by this loss of electron and gain of electron? Loss of electrons means electrons are lost by an atom. Consider the equation Mg plus Cl2 gives MgCl2. In this equation, Mg, what's the electronic configuration of Mg? 282. Then it has to release 2 electrons. And chlorine, its electronic configuration is 287. So it has to accept 1 electron. But Mg has 2 electrons. So magnesium release 2 electrons and chlorine, 2 chlorine atoms are accepted by each electron. Clear? So here Mg lost 2 electrons. So that is oxidation. And chlorine accept 1 electron. So 2 chlorine atoms are combined with magnesium. So each chlorine atom accept 1 electron. That is chlorine accept 1 electron or gain 1 electron each. So that is reduction. Clear? Then how can we write or express this equation? We can see. Mg plus Cl2 gives MgCl2. So the electronic configuration I told you already, Mg is 282 and chlorine is 287. So what charge will it get it for magnesium? Magnesium release 2 electrons and the charge is Mg2 plus. When it release 2 electrons, it has got a Mg2 plus. 2 plus. Then let us complete the equation for this process. This is the oxidation reaction. How can we write this one? Mg gives Mg2 plus 2 electrons. That means Mg release 2 electrons. This 2 electron, 2e minus means 2 electrons. So Mg release 2 electrons and become Mg2 plus. Understood? Then how many electrons are accepted by each chlorine atom? Each chlorine atom is accepted 1 electron. Clear? So there are two chlorine atoms are there. So Mg release 2 electrons and 2 electrons are accepted by each chlorine atom. So for reduction reaction, how can we write? Cl needs only 1 electron. So Cl plus 1 electron gives Cl minus. This is the reduction reaction. Listen carefully. Mg gives Mg2 plus 2 electrons. 2e minus means 2 electrons. So Mg lost 2 electrons and become Mg2 plus. What about the chlorine? Chlorine needs only 1 electron. One chlorine needs 1 electron. So its reduction reaction is chlorine plus 1 electron gives chlorine minus, Cl minus. It becomes Cl minus. Then in this reaction, magnesium donate electrons and chlorine accept electrons. So oxidation is the process of loss of electrons and reduction is the process of gain of electrons. Magnesium release electron and chlorine accept electron. So magnesium undergoes oxidation and chlorine undergoes reduction. Clear? Magnesium undergoes oxidation and chlorine undergoes reduction. See this one. The atom which lost electron is called reducing agent. Just opposite. ഏത് ആറ്റമാണോ ഇലക്ട്രോണിനെ നഷ്ടപ്പെടുത്തുന്ന അത് reducing agent. See clear? Then the atom which gains electron is called oxidizing agent. എന്താണോ oxidation reduction അതിൻ്റെ just opposite ആണ് oxidizing agent reducing agent. I think you got the idea. Then in the above chemical equation, which atom is oxidized? Oxidized ചെയ്യുന്നത് magnesium. And which atom is reduced? Cl is reduced. Clear? Cl is reduced. So which is the oxidizing agent? Cl is the oxidizing agent. Oxidized atom is Mg, but oxidizing agent is chlorine. Then which is the reducing agent? Magnesium is the reducing agent in this reaction. So which is the reducing agent? Mg is the reducing agent. Clear? So which one is the oxidized atom? That is the reducing agent. And which one is the oxidized atom? That is the reducing agent. Clear?